So I've had this artificial palm in my place for a bit now, and honestly it changes the whole vibe of the room. It looks way more realistic than I expected. The leaves have texture. The shape feels natural and it actually feels empty space instead of looking flat or fake. What I like most is how easy it was to set up. I just flew the branches, adjust the shape, and it was done in few minutes. No mess, no upkeep, no worrying about light or water. If moved it between rooms already, living room, office, corner, and it works everywhere. It adds that clean, calm, tropical feel without trying too hard. It's also nice, no having to think about it all. It just stays looking good every day. And yeah, this actually came as a gift, which made it properly solid surprise.